Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about one of the most commonly used Python functions, range. If you have ever written a for loop, you have definitely used range. But do you know why sometimes it gives numbers, sometimes nothing is printed, and sometimes it even gives an error? Let's understand everything with simple examples. The range function generates a sequence of numbers, and it is mostly used with for loops to repeat a task multiple times. In the range function, we can give three values: start, stop, and step. Start is the number from which the counting begins. Stop is the ending number, but this number is never included. Step is the difference between consecutive numbers. Now let's see all the different cases one by one. When only one value is given, Python automatically starts from 0. The stop value is 5, but it is not included. So the last number printed is 4. This is the most commonly used form of range. Let's discuss case 2. Here, start is 2 and stop is 7. Again, remember that the stop value is never included, so 7 is not printed. Next is case 3. The step value is 2, so Python skips one number every time. You can use larger step values whenever you want to skip numbers. Next is case 4. Now suppose you want to count backwards. Here, start is 10, stop is 0, step is -1. Since the step is negative, the numbers decrease. Notice that 0 is not printed because the stop value is never included. Range also works with negative numbers. Python starts from -5 and keeps increasing by 1 until it reaches 0. Again, 1 is not included. Here, the sequence starts with negative numbers, passes through 0 and reaches positive numbers. This is perfectly valid. Our next case is empty output. Sometimes beginners get confused because nothing is printed. Look at this example. No output. Why? Because Python's default step is +1. It tries to move forward, but here the start value is greater than the stop value. Python cannot go from 5 to 1 using a positive step. Therefore, nothing is printed. Let's see another example. Again, no output. This time the step is negative, but the start value is smaller than the stop value. Python cannot move backwards from 1 to 5. So again, nothing is printed. In this case, Python moves backwards because the step is negative. Value error. Range argument 3 must not be 0. The step value can never be 0. Otherwise, Python won't know whether to move forward or backward. Let's quickly revise. That's all for this video. I hope you now understand the range function completely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!